We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. Welcome to Akureyri, Iceland. Nicknamed the capital of the north, Akureyri is the largest Icelandic town outside of the capital area with a population of around 20,000 people. We took a bus here from Reykjavik, which took around 6 hours. We lived here for the month of June, and it was such an excellent base for adventures all over northern Iceland, including a multi-night trip to the northernmost inhabited part of Iceland, Grímsey Island. We have a video all about that adventure that you can check out right up here. We rented a car in town, and our first stop is only about 30 minutes east of Akureyri. Feast your eyes on a spectacular waterfall, Goðafoss, or the Waterfall of the Gods. This name has some history to it. When the country converted to Christianity over 1,000 years ago, a politician decided that to show his devotion to the religion, he would throw the statues of the Norse pagan gods into the waterfall. We did not find the statues. Goðafoss is right off the ring road, so definitely worth a quick stop, and you can expect to share the views with others. You can also grab a hot dog and plenty more from the shop by the parking lot. This waterfall is nearly 40 feet in height and almost 100 feet wide with kind of a horseshoe shape to it. If you're here from October to March, it's apparently a nice spot to look for the northern lights, and it would be great to see it covered in snow and ice too. We definitely could have spent more time walking around here and enjoying it from different perspectives. About 30 more minutes east and you'll be driving around the volcanic Lake Mývatn, another area we could have explored much more. For example, there's a geothermal area we did not even stop at, some thermal baths, and a bird museum. The lake is around 6 miles long and 4 wide and flows north into the Greenland Sea. Apparently you can catch salmon, trout, and char here. Check out this awesome little volcanic island. Glad to have the drone and some clear skies. In another 45 minutes, you'll reach the west side of Dettifoss. I stopped on the way for a flight over the Jökulsá a Fjöllum river, which flows from the Vatnajökull glacier. Welcome to arguably the most powerful waterfall in Europe, Dettifoss. At 330 feet wide and 144 feet down, these falls are impressive, and you might want some rain gear as the mist will get you if you want to get close. This side has the easier drive on a paved road, free public toilets, and you can continue northwest to Húsavík afterwards. It's maybe a 15-minute walk from the parking lot, and you'll likely want to walk along the edge to get different views, plus there are other impressive falls just upriver, so we'd recommend spending at least an hour here. Our last destination is the lovely little town of Húsavík. This town is pretty well known for 2 reasons. It's the whale-watching capital of Iceland, and a movie was made here, Eurovision Song Contest, The Story of Fire Saga, with Will Ferrell and Rachel McAdams. Really fun movie. Húsavík means Bay of the Houses, and maybe 2,400 people call it home. We're here to visit Jökulsá, one of our favorite hot springs, thanks to the awesome view over the fjord. It's about an hour back to Akureyri, and in time for the midnight sun and the best sunset of the month right around the summer solstice. So great. I know I'm shooting straight into the sun. It's probably kind of blinding. Guys, it is 12:30 a.m. and I'm currently being blinded by the sun here in Akureyri. Iceland is crazy. Thank you all for watching. Please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more travel videos.